Hello friends, welcome to my channel Homeschool Fun. Hey everyone, see, I got a letter today. I can't understand it, can you? It's kind of a secret message here. So, how will I know what is the secret message? Well, I have a very good idea for it. And that is this. This is called Cipher Wheel or the decoding machine. This wheel is the decoder. So, if you want to write a secret message to someone or want to decode it, so you need this. So, let's learn how to make this.
Let's make our cipher wheel. Here I have taken two plain normal cardboard sheet. Cut it out from any box, whatever is available with you. On one side we have to write ABCD in the clockwise and the other side in the anti-clockwise. So now let's make it. Take any type of cardboard sheet or cardboard paper, or you can take even thick paper. One circle has to be a big one and the other has to be a little smaller round. Now let's add color to it by putting two colored papers over it. Just stick it with any glue. This is specimen circle that I have made by measuring 13 mm each for making 26 part of the circle. So take the reference and measure the whole circle accordingly. In the same way, now you have to take the same specimen circle and measure the inner circle or the smaller circle in the same measurement. Just mark it out. Now let's join it to the middle with a marker pen. Complete the whole circle likewise. So our outer circle and inner circle are ready. I have marked up all the lines to the center. Now let's write the alphabets ABCD in the clockwise. Here, Z. It's finished. Now take the inner circle and now you have to write it anti-clockwise like this. You have to go A, then go left B, then go left C, then go left D. Likewise, complete the whole circle. Done. Now we have to take a paper clip or a U-pin or a rivet, what you call, and we have to attach the two circles with it. First punch in a hole and then insert the paper clip first in the lower circle, the smaller circle, and then put the whole thing in the bigger circle. Attach it and then flatten the end of it so that the bottom part or the edgy part is safe for the children. Here it is ready. Our cipher wheel is ready. Now let's learn how to use it, how we will decode it. So first match A with A. That's the most important part for the whole cipher wheel. We have to match A with A. Now let's write our message. It's like give me tea. That is a simple message. Now let's see how do we do. For you have to match A with A, and for this we have to see the bigger circle like G on the bigger circle, and G stands for T. So let's write T. Now we'll see I, G-I, give. I stands for R. V. V stands for outside in the bigger circle. V stands for E. So we'll write E. And E outside in the bigger circle stands for V. Right. Now M. M in the outside in the bigger circle. M stands for N. Now E. E stands for V. T. T stands for G. T stands for G. E stands for V. And A stands for A, of course. Right. So this is our secret message that is to be decoded. So now when we give this message, how will they decode? They have to see the inner circle. So like T in the inner circle stands for G. R in the inner circle stands for I. So I. E in the inner circle stands for V. And V in the inner circle stands for E, of course. Likewise, you have to check all of them and write our secret message, and it will spell give me.
So I hope you like this fun and interesting activity for your children. And please do like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.